Today it's aged ribeye. This is aged 21 days. It's from Griller's Meat in Salmon Arm. And you're probably wondering why I'm sitting down. I have a bad knee today and it's really acting up. So I'm just gonna sit on my stool and do this video. Anywho, here's the ribeye. And I could season it all day long. A lot of people do different. This is the way I do it, okay? And first of all, I'm just going to take a paper towel and get that nice and dry. Some kosher salt and sprinkle that around. Not too much, not too little. I'm gonna rub it in just a tad here so we can, what's called dry brining. So get that all dry and there we go. Flip this over and do the same thing to this side. A little salt. And rub that in real nice. This is going to be rare because I like rare. And I'm also going to put some shrimp on the side. Shrimp, steak and shrimp. Yeah, why not? And a glass of wine. So there's that. I'm going to stick it in the refrigerator 2 to 4 hours, probably more, closer to 4 hours, and then take it out and put it on the barbecue. But first, before I put it on the barbecue, I'm going to let it set out and get to room temperature, I say about 45 minutes to an hour. So anyway, I am going to put this on my trusty little rack here, and like I said, put it back in the fridge until it's ready to become room temperature, and then on the barbecue it goes. Okay, we'll see you right back here very soon. Okay. We've got 4 hours of dry brining on our ribeye, and it's looking really fantastic. I don't know if it's any different from 4 hours ago, but it looks good. Here's the shrimp I'm going to prepare as well, and some wine. So we're getting started on that since I've done all the yard work today, and I'm ready to eat. We're gonna take this bad boy out to the barbecue and cook the shrimp at the same time. And we'll be back at the dinner table to show you how it came out. Okay, my barbecue is so really close to 500 degrees, so I am going to slap this ribeye right in the hottest part of the barbecue right there, and I'm going to cook it for, let's say, 3 minutes each side. And I'm also going to take this cast iron skillet and put it on here and go. So yeah, it's 6 minutes on this to do the shrimp, and then 6 minutes on the steak. It's good timing. So I'm cooking this in grass-fed butter with let's see, garlic and basil, right? So yeah, that should be really nice to go along with that beautiful ribeye right there. I'm going to let this go for a minute and a half, and then I'm going to turn it so it gets those nice cross grill marks, I guess is what you call it. All right, so we'll see you in a couple of minutes. And there we go. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, so I'm going to let that cook for 3 minutes on that side, and we should have a really nice rare ribeye steak. And it's a really nice shrimp. Yeah, what happens here next is when this is about done on the steak and the shrimp, they're cooking at the same temperature and same time, I'll take that steak, put it right in there with that butter. Oh, yeah. So that's about the only seasoning. The garlic I put in there other than the salt when we first started. So, and that time is just about 30 seconds away from pulling this out and putting it right into the pan. So, we are ready with our steak and shrimp, and of course our wine. So cheers. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut into this and show you what I'm about to eat. And Shelly's going to grab that camera. She's going to come right over here and I'm going to show you deliciousness. And hopefully, there we go. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Now, oh, I gotta cut that off. But anyway, I'm gonna have a bite and start eating right about now. Cheers. So good. Wonderful. Thank you, Shelly. She's my camera girl. So enjoy your ribeye. Go get one. Put it on the barbecue. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. See you later. Bye.